Okay. Question number 4. Why do you think that the narrator says that he does not have the colors red, black, white and yellow? The options are: A, he forgot to buy those colors; B, those colors are very dull; C, these colors represent the sad things about war which the poet does not like. The answer is going to be C. 4 answer is going to be C. These colors represent the sad things about war which the poet does not like. Clear? Great. Number 5. Find a word or phrase in the poem which means same as A, injuries; B, not having a mother and father; C, flowers; D, new plants. Answer 5. A, for injuries, it is wounds. WOUNDS. Number B is not having a mother and father. Answer is from the phrase orphaned. ORPHANED. It's not orphaned or orphaned. It's orphaned. You are going to pronounce it as an F. The PH is silent. You're going to pronounce it as an F. Orphaned. Okay. Flowers. Flowers are going to be buds. 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 And D is new plants, which is blooms. When you're blooming, a new plant is coming up, it blooms, a plant is blooming. BLOOMS. 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 Okay, so A is wounds, B is orphaned, C is buds, D is blooms. Okay. Question number 6. Find 2 words in the poem that rhyme, like delight, right, sight, or that cat, tick tock, like that. What are the words that rhyme? Delight and bright. They have a syncing, isn't it? They are syncing together. Delight and bright. Okay. Number 6 is delight and bright. Number 7. Can you think of some colors that do not appear in the poem? Can you think of some colors that do not appear in the poem? It can be different, you have so many colors. So what I can see here is, what I have written is, brown and purple are 2 colors which do not appear in the poem. Brown and purple, as far as I am thinking, brown and purple does not appear in the poem. Okay. Now we go to page 33, reflection. Okay. Which colors would you choose for the following feelings? Like, suppose I have a feeling, I am happy, what color will I choose? I am sad, what color will I choose? I am naughty, what color shall I choose? I am scared, what color should I choose? I am dancing, what color should I choose? Okay. So that's what it is. What color should we choose for the following feelings? You have the question in front of you, right? Happy? I'm giving the answer, write it down. Yellow, because it is the color for sunshine, which is associated with joy, comma, laughter, fresh energy and warmth. I'll repeat it. Happy dash. The color which I'm going to use is yellow because it is the color for sunshine, which is associated with joy, laughter, fresh energy and warmth. Associated, ASSOCIATED. Associated, joy, laughter, fresh energy, warmth. Warmth is WARMTH. T as in Tom, H. Warmth. Number B. Sad. Your answer might differ. Or you can, for you, it's about your mood. If you're feeling sad, you can either use black, you can use dark brown or dark blue or that mashy color or something, a greenish, dirty color. It depends upon how you think a color for yourself. But what, as I say, is sad, but my favorite color is again that black. I'm happy, I wear black. I'm sad, I wear black. I just love black. But here sad is black, comma, because it is the color of the night, which means that the day has ended. It is also a color some people wear when they are mourning. When people die, people wear black for mourning to show that they are sad. Black is a mourning color, people say. In foreign countries, Christians, they do wear black when someone dies. Here also in India, some people wear those black bands to show that someone is dead. It is a time of sadness, this black color. So I'll repeat it again. Black for sad, the word is sad, and for sad what color we'll use is black because it is the color of night, which means that the day has ended. It is also the color that some people wear when they are mourning, MOURNING. Full stop. It is a time of sadness. Okay. Bored. Boring, bored. You get bored. You're not wanting to do anything. You're not feeling good. The color is grey. I agree to it. Grey, GREY, comma, because it is the color of the clouds on a rainy day, when everything appears dull and gloomy. You don't have that mood, when it's too much of clouds and the weather is quite, it goes gloomy, you don't have the mood, you get bored sitting at home, it's going to rain, you cannot go out anywhere. This pandemic is quite dull and gloomy, isn't it? What color should we give this pandemic? Grey. So bored is grey because it is the color of clouds on a rainy day when everything appears dull and gloomy. Dull is DULL and gloomy is GLOOMY. Okay, so that's that. So I'll come back in the next video and we'll do it.